Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set a custom startup voice message in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to turn on your computer and let Windows 11 boot up completely. Make sure you wait until everything has fully loaded and you can see your desktop clearly. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly before we begin making any changes. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, we're going to create a special file that will handle your custom voice message. To do this, right-click on any empty space on your desktop. When the context menu appears, hover your cursor over the new option. This will reveal a submenu with additional choices. From that submenu, click on Text File. This creates a blank text document on your desktop where we'll add our command. Now here's the important part. Open that text file by double-clicking it, and you'll see a blank notepad window. Inside this file, you'll need to enter a specific line of command. The command will include a speaks line, and next to it, you can type whatever message you want your computer to say when it starts up. For example, you could write something like "Welcome back" or "Good morning" or any custom greeting you prefer. This phrase is what your computer will speak out loud each time it boots up. After you've typed your custom message, click on the File tab at the top left corner of the Notepad window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Save As. This is crucial because we need to save this file with a special extension. In the file name field, type any name you want for your file, but make sure to add .vbs at the end. The .vbs extension is essential because it tells Windows that this is a Visual Basic script file rather than a regular text file. Once you add this extension, you'll notice the file icon changes, confirming it's now recognized as a Visual Basic file instead of a standard text document. Now that your voice message file is ready, we need to place it in a location where Windows will automatically run it every time your computer starts. Click on the Start button to open your Start menu. In the search bar, type in Run and press Enter. This opens the Run dialog box, which gives you quick access to various system folders and functions. In the Run dialog box, type shell:startup and hit Enter. This command opens your startup folder, which is a special location in Windows where any files placed here will automatically execute when your computer boots up. Now simply drag the VBS file you created from your desktop directly into this startup folder. By placing it here, you're telling Windows to run this script and play your custom voice message every single time your PC starts up. And that's it, you've successfully set up a custom startup voice message on your Windows 11 computer. From now on, whenever you boot up your PC, you'll hear your personalized greeting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.